Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove family link from Google account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device and a bunch of options will start appearing. Simply scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to get to the Google account section. Simply access it and then tap on the Google account banner at the top. You can then tap on the account button and a new page will load up. Here, scroll to the right end of the page and then access People and Sharing tab. Under it, access the Manage Family embed and then access the Family Manager. You can then tap on the Delete Family Group button at the bottom, verify using the passkey, and then tap on the Delete button to confirm the action. So that's basically how you can remove family link from Google account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.